How to verify TikTok business account. So if you want to verify your TikTok business account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And once you're on your browser, you need to search for TikTok Business Center. Once you're here under your TikTok Business Center, you need to go to Business Center, which will be in the top right. And it will give you this kind of interface. Now you need to go and select your business type. Like for example, I'll go with the first one. And under your company information, you need to enter the information like your company's website, your country or region, the company's name. And in the second section, you need to enter your business center information like your business center name, the time zone, and currency. And after that, you need to click here so that you agree to the terms and conditions and then go with confirm, which will be on the right side. The goal is to initiate the verification of your business account. Verification helps establish your credibility as a business and is often a requirement to access advanced features and insights. Within the account settings, you'll see an option that says verify now if you've not verified. You can also go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then you'll find an option of verify, or just simply go with your profile and then you might find an option of verify. In case your account has already been verified, you'll see a verified status. So there are 3 steps to verify your business account. So first, you'll need to start by entering your basic information like we did right here. So this is the basic information section. Once you enter the basic information and then go with confirm, which will be on the bottom right, it will take you to the second step, which is verify business. And once you complete the verify business section, it will take you to the verify your access section. Once you've done with all of these steps, you'll basically verify your TikTok business account. Make sure that you've entered the correct information on your business page. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.